Aja here from Pandamonium. We are back on the road, just left the casino in Parker. We are headed south to Ehrenberg. We are going to skip Quartzsite for now. Thank you, Beverly. So my turn is up here in a quarter of a mile.
Take the next right onto Mojave Road.
Turned onto Mojave Road, and like she said, we have about 42 miles to Ehrenberg, so not too bad. We should be there in about 45 minutes, depending on how fast we go. This is the back way. We decided not to go to Quartzsite. We're cutting across to Ehrenberg because we're going to go to the laundry mall where they have laundry, of course, but they also have a dump, water, showers. It's kind of like a small truck stop with all the amenities. I thought that was a dust storm there, but I think it's somebody ripping down a dirt road or either a tractor. I can't see, there's so much dust. There's a lot, oh yeah, it is somebody going down a dirt road. There's a lot of farmland on this road headed to Ehrenberg. Telltale sign that it's farmland. Look at the bales of hay. Oh, that's a lot. Guess they're letting the hay dry out. Cotton. There's cotton on the other side of the road.
I'm allergic to whatever the green stuff is. My nose and my eyes are all reddened.
It might be the alfalfa or something like that, the hay that they bale.
It's so study if you get the alfalfa.
So here in this area in Arizona, cotton I've noticed a lot, and also alfalfa seem to be the popular crops that they grow here. I think we just passed an Indian tribe school. I believe that's what the sign said. Freedom H. Sharp, American Legion. Yeah, alfalfa is definitely popular here, but if you go down to Yuma, that's where a lot of the leafy greens are grown. I think they grow a lot in Yuma area.
Little area up here, there's a store on the right-hand side.
You said there's a store on the right-hand side?
Yeah, if we come this way, we all pulled over to wait for each other down here at a store.
No. That was a different place. That was when we were headed to the slabs.
All right.
So it's never fun getting stuck behind these farm vehicles, or I think it's carrying farm equipment. They have to go so slow, but I totally understand. Oh, there's some kind of orchard right there. Not sure what kind of trees those are. Well, we've made it to Ehrenberg. Not much in this town, really. I think the biggest thing here is the laundromat mall. There's an RV park here, and also the Love's gas station. If you want anything, you usually have to go into California, into Blythe. Oh, John Deere. Never noticed that. Seems like there are a few more things popping up. That's an old boat. Oh, I forgot they had a Family Dollar here. But that's recent. I think in the last 2 or 3 years is when that was put in here. Pulling Hey.
How are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Pretty good.
What
Good
do you
to see you.
Good to see you too. What are you doing? Filling up some water?
Yeah, I'm camped over on that side of Tom Wells.
Oh, okay.
And it's nice over there.
It's wide open.
Yes. Oh my God. Hi, Moo-moo. How are you? Good to see you
Good
guys.
to see you too.
Yeah, I love this area. I really do.
It's a nice area.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get water.
All right, so we are here, and I guess it's time to do some laundry, and I'm gonna clean up. Yes, I need to clean up. What are you doing, Moo-moo? Huh? What are you doing? Washing my clothes, and they're in the dryer right now drying, so they should be done in about 30 minutes. I got cleaned up. I feel much better, and I also made me a yummy Cobb salad with hamburger. So we're getting back on the road, and we are gonna try to find a camping spot. We're gonna go down by the Colorado River and see who's all there. Yeah, there are people here. Not a lot of people though. I've seen it way busier. Here is our new camp spot. Awesome. We fit nicely. We didn't park at the front. We came down the road a bit. And the Colorado River. Look at the sunset. Isn't that beautiful? Gorgeous. Moo-moo! What you doing? Isn't that river pretty? Psh.
Huh? Fire? Okay.
I'm getting the rug all set up. Getting her base camp set up.
My landscaping on.
You know she loves some desert landscaping.
Some desert landscape green. Some greenery. It helps to keep the sand out of your house.
Right.
That's what it does. But I want some of that
Moo-moo.
grass like Becky had. It's like this thick.
I know. I've always wanted that.
Oh, it's like
I love
so
it.
nice on your feet.
Yeah, it's really soft and everything too.
It's like dog treatment grass, I guess.
But this works.
Yeah, this is fine.
So this campsite does go back kind of far, farther than some of them do. There's a fire pit back there with trash in it. That's always nice. But it's burnable trash. It also has 3 separate paths that kind of lead off. There's 1, 2. There's one right here as well. Oh, there's actually 4 trails. So I'm actually going to flip my rig around. I was just getting the last bit of sun. And the sun does come up that way. So yeah, I'm going to flip it around.
Spray bottle?
Well,
Because that's concentrate. It'll make...
yeah, maybe not
I'll have
tonight,
that gallon
but okay, maybe tomorrow. Because the thing is, I think I gotta get my little scrubber. See, it's in the little grooves. I hate it when they do that. Like, don't put something that's gonna get so filthy.
Clean it!
Yeah, make it a smooth, easy to clean surface, right?
Something that, yeah,
Clean in here.
because it gets in these grooves, and in someone who has a,
It gets in all the
issue
crooks
with
and-
dirtiness,
It gets in all the crooks and
it
nannies.
doesn't come out of here.
It's like Thomas's English muffins.
Yeah.
It gets in all the crooks and nannies.
Right next to my rig is actually a little camp spot. I could always back up into there. Alright, well, I've got Panda flipped around, and that's where she's gonna be. I'm gonna probably just chill the rest of the night. I want to thank y'all for hanging out with me today. Hopefully, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound. We love y'all out there. Bye for now. Mwah.